Yes, sir.
Yeah. So,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Uh, in our previous classes, we have done with three of the countries from your North American continent. We have done with Canada. We have done with United States of America. We have also done with Mexico. Today we will move to one of state. Keep in mind, don't get confused. Hawaii it is a state, one of the state from United States of America. Okay, by seeing the importance, by seeing the popularity of this Hawaii island, I have added this Hawaii as separate content because the capital city of Hawaii, that is Honolulu, which is very popular for your tourism purpose. Okay, so that is the reason we have kept this Hawaii as the separate content. Okay, it doesn't mean that it is separate content, it means a separate country. It is not a separate country. Whatever we have studied United States of America, in that I told you that United States of America, it has 50 states. Okay, out of that Hawaii, it is also one of the state, like whatever we are having Indian states, like Karnataka is one state. Okay, when we study whole India as one country, Karnataka, it is separate state, right? Okay, it is one of the state from India. Like that, Hawaii, it is a part of United States of America. It's a state. And Hawaii Island, it is youngest state of United States of America, which has joined recently as a 50th state of United States of America, which has 50 states. Okay, ಐವತ್ತನೇದು join ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ Hawaii. It is youngest state of United States of America. And currency and all those things, US dollar it accept, and the president will be the United States president. And again, they are having state government, state flag. It is separate with all the states. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬನಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಹೋಲ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಚ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ each state of United States of America, they are having their separate flag, they are having their separate head of their state, like that. Okay, yeah, a very beautiful island, guys. Okay, very beautiful island, and which is located in the Pacific Ocean. And when I talk about this, for tourism it is very popular. And what you get as a tourist once you visit this Hawaii Island, you are having plentiful beaches, beautiful beaches, then sunset, sunrise, and apart from that, what I can say here is Honolulu, which is very well-known city tourism city tour you can enjoy in the Honolulu, very popular city, which is the capital city of your Hawaii. Apart from that, water-based adventure activities you can enjoy here, like in our Goa. Okay, water-based adventure activities and swimming you can enjoy. And apart from that, what I can say here is uh, well, Hawaii, yeah, it is nature based destination, whatever I can say. Okay, it is totally nature. And why again Indians we are attached towards Hawaii is, in Hawaii you can see n number of Hindu temples. Okay, you can see Hindu population over there. Okay, when you talk about the settlements in the Hawaii Island, okay, both European and Asian people you will going to see in this Hawaii. Okay, very hardly 9 to 10% people you will going to see who are basically the Hawaii people. Okay, apart from that, 90% people they settle down from either from Europe or from your Asian continent, like Japanese, Indians. You can going to say in this Hawaii Island. Yeah, the location is here. Okay, so this is what the Hawaii Island is. Okay, located away from your American continent, whatever you can say. Okay, so this is what western part of United States of America, or western part of your Canada you can say. Okay, but away from, so too much away from these whatever mainland we are having. Okay, it is in the Pacific Ocean now. Okay, so it is located in the Pacific Ocean island. And yeah, I may forget, this Hawaii Island, it is also popular for its volcanoes, guys. Volcanoes, active volcanoes you will going to say. And world's highest volcano you will going to see in this Hawaii Island, Hawaii itself. Okay, And when I talk about again Hawaii, one of the few of the best thing about Hawaii is Hawaii. It has totally It has totally banned its plastic use. Okay, you will not get plastic use in this whole state. They have banned this plastic use, and gambling is totally banned. Okay, although how yes, Apya? Sharon. Although your in America, okay, United States of America, gambling available. It is permitted. But although it's a part of your United States of America, Hawaii Island, gambling is totally banned here. Okay, and plastic totally banned. Okay, since from 2014, okay, they have banned this plastic use of plastic in their island, and yeah, and Hindu people, Hindu temples, you will going to see in this thing. Okay. Yeah, this is the Hawaii flag. Then yeah, a bit of information about your state. Hawaii, as I told you, this is one of the state of United States of America, and officially this state, it has 137 islands. Okay, one this Hawaii island, Hawaii state, it is made up of 137 islands. Okay, but only 8 islands are inhabited by the people. It means 137 small and big islands ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀ 8 ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. 8 ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. 129 ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಜನರು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, yeah, again, yeah, those 8 islands I have mentioned here. I will show you them in the map. Okay, and yeah, I was talking about this. Okay, this Hawaii Island, it is home to the world's most active volcano, that is Kilauea volcano. And as I told you, this Hawaii, it is popular for its active volcanoes, beaches, waterfalls, valleys, and sea turtles, dolphins. Okay, and the activities which a tourist can enjoy in the Hawaii, like scuba diving, surfing, snorkeling, swimming, and boating. Okay, why again these things? As I told you, it is totally these group of islands, they are in the Pacific Ocean islands surrounded with the beaches. Okay, and I was talking about something. Yeah, so these are what 8 islands. Okay, islands of your Hawaii. Okay, big islands. Okay, where you can see the people living over there. Kauai, Niihau, Oahu, okay, Molokai, Maui, okay, then Lanai, then Kahulawe, and Hawaii, big island, whatever you say. Okay. So these are what among these, again, Hawaii is the biggest island. Okay, out of these 8 islands, again, Hawaii is the most biggest island. And Hawaii, whatever the capital city we are talking about, Honolulu is the capital city of this Hawaii island. Honolulu, it is situated in this Hawaii. And one of the speciality of, again, that Honolulu is, you might have heard about this Barack Obama. Okay, Barack Obama, this Honolulu is the birthplace of this Barack Obama. Okay, again, more of the basic facts, basic information. The capital city is Honolulu, and population is very small, 1.43 million people. Currency, US dollar, like United States of America's currency, US dollar they accept. And state name, nickname is Aloha State. Okay, live over that. And country, as I told you, United States of America. It's a part of United States of America. Then highest mountain is Mauna Kea, with height of 13,796 feet, and land area it has is 10,931 square meter. Then largest lake, Halulu Lake. Yes, Appa? Any doubts, guys? Religion, Christianity, as in the United States of America, also Christianity is the major religion. So this state of United States of America, that also has the Christianity as the major religion. And time zone, -10 is the time zone of your Hawaii Island. And longitude and latitudinal extent, okay, so 155 degree west, and latitude 19 degree north. Yeah, next. Major tourist attractions. Okay, so again, as I told you, this is Ireland. So whatever you get is beaches, guys. Okay, beaches are the main attractions of your Hawaii. Okay, I have selected few of the beaches. Okay, uh, Waimanola Beach. Okay, then Lanikai Beach, Sunset Beach, Waikiki Beach, then Honolulu Beach, then Pearl Harbor. Okay, so these are what few of the attractions which I have added in this. Okay, if you remember these five attractions, okay, these beaches, okay, Waimanalo Beach, then Lanakai, Sunset, then Waikiki, and Honolulu Beach. When you come to this Waimanalo Beach, Waimanalo. Okay, so this is the Waimanalo Beach again. What I can say about these beaches is less crowded. This is the white sand beach, white sand with blue water beach. Okay, and less crowded. You will not get too much crowd over there, and the waves are not too high, so it is what I can say, we can suggest this beach for swimming. The beach is 3 miles long, that is 4.8 kilometer long this is, and this beach is best for leisure walk. Okay, just you can walk your 4.8 kilometer long way with your near and dear ones, and it has all the water based adventure activity. What I can say here is, okay, so water based adventure activities you can enjoy in this beach. Okay, next, Lanakai Beach, again one of the beautiful beach from the Hawaii Island, and this beach is crowded one. Okay, camping is available on the beach, and hiking can be done in the Lion's Head of the spectacular view, and sunrise and full moonrise stunning is see, that is the best view from here. That is the thing. Okay, and this beach, Lanikai, is ranked one of the best beaches in the world. Yeah, so this is Lanakai beach view. Okay, very beautiful beach. Then Sunset Beach. Okay, so yeah, this beach is heaven for the surfing lovers. Okay, if you are one who loves the surfing, okay, that then Sunset Beach is best, and this beach has high waves and where surfers can enjoy their surfing. Okay, so this beach is not such this suitable for your swimming, but you can enjoy this uh, surfing. Okay, then yeah, they're popular for its sunset, so Sunset Beach is the name. Okay, then Waikiki Beach, this is again Waikiki Beach. It is, I have mentioned here, this is popular for its nightlife. It means Waikiki Beach will be open for a tourist 24/7. Okay, 365 days it is open for tourists. Okay, even in the night, the pubs, the bars, okay, the restaurant service will be open. So whole night you can enjoy in this Waikiki Beach, and there are few resorts and hotels just located near to this beach, and 2 miles long beach it is, and Waikiki, it means a spoiting water, spoit. Okay, then the people visit this beach to learn the surfing. Okay, basic surfing you can learn. Okay, so as what I was talking about, okay, the hotels, then the resorts, they are located just attached to this beach. Then move to the last attraction, that is the Honolulu. Honolulu, again, as I told you, Honolulu, it has a beach as well. It is the capital city of your Hawaiian Island. Okay, and believe me, guys, Honolulu and your Hawaii Island, it attracts nearly 1 crore tourists every year. Okay, 1 crore. Okay, although it has a population of hardly 12 lakhs something. Okay, 12. Okay, but it attracts a tourist of 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore annual 1 crore tourist ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. 1 crore divided by 365 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ guys? Okay, ಬಿಡಿ 10,000 ಲಕ್ಷ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೋಟಿ divided by 365. Okay, 27-28,000 ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 27,000 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಬೀಚ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. 27,000 ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ 200 300 ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 300 ಯಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 90 ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, 90 ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ that much of crowded and very beautifully situated and beautifully provides the services. That's the reason, okay, world tourists, they are attracting towards them. Okay, so this is about the beautiful city Honolulu. Okay, and last one, Pearl Island. Okay, knew about this Pearl Harbor. Okay, just as it is situated in the island. Okay, so it has a harbor and it attracts many of the big ships. They come over there, they load and unload their whatever the luggage it has, baggage it has. Okay, so that's about the, you just concentrate on these beaches and Honolulu. That's it. Okay. So this makes, okay, this makes your end of your first chapter itself. Okay, which is the countries from the North American continent. Okay, so throughout this journey we have studied the basic information about your North American continent. Okay, we have studied map plotting also. I have shown you where the locations are. Okay, where these 23, okay, if you remember something, this North American continent, it has 23 countries, and I told you, I have shown you, okay, where those countries are located and all those kind of a thing. Okay, that we have learned in the North American continent basic information. Okay, after that we have learned about this Canada. After that we have learned about United States of America. We have yesterday we have learned about Mexico, and today we have successfully completed your Hawaii Island. So which makes your whole chapter, guys. Okay, we have successfully completed chapter 1. Okay, so from what I do in next class, I will prepare a few of the questions out of these 5 classes whatever we have done. Okay, that will be MCQ, multiple choice questions. Just answer those. By that I will come to know how much you have understood from those chapters. Okay, from those contents whatever we have studied. Okay, so yesterday we will do one unit chapter unit test whatever we say. Okay, ನಾಳೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. MCQ just you have to take your correct answer. That's it. Anything guys, anything you want to discuss? Or out of these 4 countries, if you are not understood anyone, let me know. I can repeat that one. Okay, guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any doubts out of these 4 contents whatever we have discussed from the first chapter?
No, sir.
No ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, so be ready. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 5 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ USA, ಕೆನಡಾ, ಮೆಕ್ಸಿಕೋ, ಹವಾಯಿ. ಈಗ ಹವಾಯಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು PPT. 5 PPT ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಅದಾವ. ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ನಾಳೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ರೈಟ್? Guys, anything to discuss apart from this?
No, sir.
No, Allah. Okay. Can anyone share me this screenshot of attendance? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೆಸನ್ರೆ, so I can wind up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. See you in tomorrow's class. Okay, with your MCQ test. Okay, test ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Again I will discuss this basic introduction of your South American continent. Okay, introduction part we will discuss in tomorrow's class simultaneously with your MCQ test. Okay, you can wind up it in 10 to 15 minutes. After that we will just I will try to introduce your South American continent. Okay, very beautiful again continent, and from there also I think we have added 4 countries. About those 4 countries again we will try to understand in later classes. Well guys, okay, so 10:28 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay, so 10:30 ಆಗಲಿ. So by that 30 minutes class agutta. State of USA. Yeah, it's a state of USA, Ahmed. Hawaii it's not a country. It's a state, one of the state. Okay, United States of America, it has 50 states. Out of those 50, this Hawaii is one. Okay, and this Hawaii, it is the youngest state. It means lastly added in the United States of America. Okay, lastly added state. The 50th state of United States of America is Hawaii. Okay. And just remember, okay, plastic they have banned. Okay, totally plastic is banned in that country, and gambling is also banned. Okay, gambling is also not allowed in this state. Yes, guys. And this the location is okay. It lies in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, it is in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, it is what I can say. It is somewhere. What do you say? It is somewhere near to the. It is not too near to the USA or Canada. Okay, again, I think 5 hours flight they have to catch. What's time? 10:29. 1 minute to go. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರದ್ರ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅದನ ಅಖಿಲ ಬಸವ ಪದಿಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹರ್ಷ ಲಖನ್ ಏನೋ ಲಖನ್ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ನಾ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿ ನಿರಾಲಿ ಪದ್ಮ ಓಕೆ ಪದ್ಮ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಶರಣ್ ಶಿವಶಕ್ತಿ ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ And what about lockdown situation, guys, in your city?
Yes, sir.
Lockdown hang nadada full tight adana yakantandre I am in village. I am in the safest place.
Full tight adar sir.
Tight adana ಈ ಸರಿ. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪೂಜೆನೇ ಅದಂದ್ರೆ. Okay. 10:30 ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yeah, guys. See you tomorrow with your
Okay, sir.
unit test as well as your whatever I can say this introduction to South American continent. Okay, till then take care. Bye guys. Bye everyone.